Alright guys, it's Sunday. This first clip is for my buddy Lee. He's coming here in February. Subscriber. He's going to be staying at this hotel. He already booked it. It's called the 288 Siem Reap Hotel. It's in a nice area. I like this area right by Tapple Road, I believe it's called. So he picked a really good area. This hotel is really nice too. I thought I'd just, I don't know if I'm going to be allowed inside, but here's the entrance. Oh yeah, nice and cool in here. Yeah. Hello.
May I have you?
Oh no, I have a friend. He booked here for February. He's going to stay here. Yeah, and I live here, and he asked me if I could come by and just show him. Yeah. No, it's good. I tell him it's good. It's good. All right, and there's the stairs going up. So nice. You picked well, Lee. I think you picked well. It is very nice. They just renovated. You can see they're still finishing up some stuff. By the time you get here, that'll be all done, though. It'll be good. Very nice hotel. Very friendly people. Here's the outside of the sign. I think he was a little freaked out that I'm in there recording and talking. He has no idea who I am. I'm sitting here in my Anthrax shirt and a pair of cargo shorts, so I'm sure that did help. But yeah, this area is really nice, man. We've got lots of things. Lots of things. You got a pizza place right there, Pizza Roma. You have a little cafe right across the street, a pharmacy across the street. Of course, the usual phone stores across the street. There's a restaurant, it looks like, right next door. Yes, very good. So you can get up on your first day, come over here. Chinek Restaurant, I believe it's called. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Some prices, they seem to be reasonable. $1.50, $1.50, $1.50. Yeah, $1.50 and $2.50. That's good. Good prices. Laundry service. I see a laundry service over there. Right down that way is Tapple. I believe it's called Tapple. It might be Tapple Road. I don't know if they pronounce the H or not. That's a pretty popular area too with tourists or with expats. Watbo, Tapple Road area. And right next door here, there's also a nice restaurant called the Orchard Restaurant, which is right next door to the hotel, right here. They got their own separate parking area. Yeah, I think you will like it here. Nice area, lots of things to do. Very nice looking hotel. Yep. Anyway, that was for my buddy Lee. I just wanted to, and I have some pictures I'll be sending him through Facebook. I took a couple. I wanted to get inside and around the back and see the pool and maybe go up to one of the rooms, but they had no idea what I was doing, and I do look like a homeless person, as I do most of the time on my days off. Next time, wear a long sleeve shirt and some khakis. They probably wouldn't mind so much. So taking a walk back, I don't get up this way much, so this might be interesting for other people as well. This area here, I haven't really shown much. I think maybe only once or twice in all my videos. There's another little restaurant right there, the Bunta. Oh, and here's a little tailor shop right there. If you don't like the clothes you're wearing, you can go in there. They will hand make your clothes for you. Oh, this music might be an issue, so let's hurry on along from here. That was not on when I walked by just a little while ago. I guess it must be getting that time where they need to feel like they need to attract customers with really loud music. But again, you got phone shops. You can buy phones, of course, SIM cards. You're going to need a SIM card. Little place here. Socks, watches, hats, sunglasses. Hello. Flip-flops. Just little odds and ends you might need. Got a barbecue joint across the street, a bar right there, the World Bar. I've never been in there, so can't say. Oh, bakery shop right here. I didn't notice that earlier. Yeah. You can stop and get yourself some treats. Some pictures of what they do. Pretty nice. Like they made a cake that looks like a giant shrimp, it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, man. Seriously, I think you picked well. There's a hostel. If you're more interested in living a backpacker, if you're staying here living a backpacker lifestyle, $5 a night. Right there. It's called the, they have the best burger in town. Sign says so right there. Naga Angkor. You can get a veggie burger for $4.50, a chicken burger for $5, and there's your other options. So apparently what they don't make in hostel fees, they more than make up for with their food prices, because that is kind of expensive. Bike shop here. Yeah, little electric scooters. You can rent them at a few places if you're into that sort of thing. Of course, infamous wing shops are everywhere here. Don't know what's down this way. I'm not sure which road this is neither. I have no idea what road this is. But despite Senglai's protests, I'm gonna go walking down here anyway. She's hot and doesn't want to walk. I am also hot, but I want to explore a little bit since I'm down here already. I was down near this area anyway. I thought I'd take the Siem Reap Hostel, Backpacker's Choice. Oh, I know where I am. I know where I am. Never mind. You've seen this before. There's Bugs, the famous Bugs Cafe. All their dishes include some type of insect in them. They are dedicated to promoting the fact that insects are good for you to eat, and they can be tasty if done right, and they do it right. They have, I mean, people rave about that place, not just because it's eating bugs and it's cool, but simply because the food is delicious. There's a unique called the Relax Bar and Restaurant. You can sit in swings. Let's see if I can, as soon as I get out of the way here. Which is pretty cool. Let me go up here and show you. I like the swings. I saw the swings. I was like, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. Swings. You can sit on swings. After 5 or 6 beers, that might become an issue, but of course I've seen people fall off perfectly still bar stools after a few beers, so maybe the swings will actually help equal out their equilibrium. It might be a little safer for a drunk person. Yeah, we're headed up, this will be up by the Anchor Night Market. It's also known as the original night market. It was the first one in Siem Reap. And people will argue if it's the best one or not. The prices are lower than somewhere else, but I find generally if you're negotiating the prices are going to be about the same everywhere. Another Happy Pizza place. Happy Siem Reap Pizzas. Again, a reminder, if you didn't see my other video about that if you're going to a Happy Pizza place or any place that says they can make your food or drink happy, that simply means they're going to put marijuana on it. So, if you are not into that, do not get anything happy. You can go to any of those places and just say you don't want happy, they'll still make you a delicious pizza or something else that you want with no problem. But you have to be sure to specify no happy. No happy. Happy will get you high. Yeah, I made here a few times. I believe I made a video about this place is great. This place is absolutely great. I keep forgetting where it is. I'm glad I found it again. You can get an omelet and toast for $1.50, banana pancake for $1.50, $2, a mango salad for $2.50, curry chicken and a coconut for $3. Yeah, they got all kinds of good stuff here. I've ate here a few times. The food is delicious. It's a good portion for the money. I would definitely recommend it. Mom New River Restaurant. It is a bit far from home, so if you want to go out to eat, there's many more options that are a lot closer, which is why we don't get over here much. Plus, like I said, I forgot I forgot where it was. But I do like it. There's a house for rent if you're looking for a house. So that's all right there. It looks more like a storage unit. Oh no, it's a house. It's pretty cool. You got a big steel door that comes down at night for extra home protection, I guess. There's a sushi bar. If you guys like your sushi, I'll get over there as soon as traffic clears. Show you. There you go. All you sushi lovers. It's called Sushi Bar. All sushi nigiri roll. 20% off. Anchor draft beer 75 cents. Happy sushi set $10. You get 16 pieces of sushi, a Japanese appetizer, and one drink for $10. You let me know if that's good or bad. Because this says 12. Oh, that's for salmon. Okay. Anyway, yeah. If anybody here is into sushi, I never have been. I don't know if that's a good price, a bad price, or what. I see $10 for a meal, and I'm like, ah. But then again, of course, it's not something you see a lot of in Cambodia. There's, they do have in Siem Reap, I think there's 2 or 3 other sushi places that I see advertised. But it's not very popular like in some other Asian cultures. Yep, down here by the night market now, the Anchor night market. If you remember way back when I first got here, this is where I came. This is the first market I came to. I was looking for socks. I had not brought any socks and I needed socks. I think it's called Quest for Socks. You can look for it down in my video list. But when I was coming over here, I did not bring any socks. Come to find out I really needed socks. Not just to wear with my hiking shoes when it's like raining or something. But also I needed socks because to look for a job, I needed some black socks to go with my dress shoes. And I didn't bring any except for the ones I wore on the plane, of course. Because when I left for Michigan, it was it was like below zero. Windy, cold, freezing. So I had a pair of socks, but after almost a 40-hour plane ride and a lot of walking and then getting here and sweating, I decided it would probably be best to retire those socks and never let them see the light of day again. So they have gone the way of the dodo. I threw them away. But yeah, I got them down here. We negotiated a little bit. Got them for a good price, I think. At the moment, that price escapes me. I might look back on it later and go, oh man, I can't believe I paid that much. But I remember thinking at the time, that's a good price. But again, it's one of those things, the way you think about money, how much you're spending where you are, everything seems to be so much cheaper over here, so you might not feel the need to negotiate as much, or you might think you're getting a really good price when you first get here on things because you would actually pay a lot more back where you come from. And that's true. But as you get walking around and familiarizing yourself with the town, you realize that some of the things I thought were cheap, I actually paid too much for. And there are other places to get them at almost half the price, the same thing. And also, hello. And also, it will teach you to hone your negotiating skills. So, after 5 o'clock, this place will be buzzing with activity and people and food stalls. It's always dead during the day because it is a night market. Some businesses are open, of course, but the majority of the action, I guess you could say, will happen after 5 o'clock. Another restaurant over here. Oop. Picture of the car. Another restaurant over here. Yeah, I Hong restaurant right there. And for you guys that like it, frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt is one of those things. The best thing somebody said to describe frozen yogurt was they don't understand why people would take something like yogurt that's perfectly fine the way it is and then make it worse just so you can have more of it. I forget who said that. It was on a TV show. It was on a comedy series. I forget which one. I have to look that up. But I thought, yes, that perfectly describes it. Perfectly. Make it worse just so you can have more of it, even though it was perfectly fine the way it is. Yeah, there's the banner for they had the Anchor Marathon running this weekend for charity, of course. Kudos and props if anybody's looking at this that actually ran in that marathon. Whew, I can barely walk sometimes in this heat. You guys are the real heroes. All right, that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you enjoyed this little walk around. It was an area, like I said, I haven't been to much. Give you an idea of what you can find in different parts of Siem Reap. All right, so I'll talk to you guys in the next one.